Namaste friends, welcome to Infinify Technologies. Today we are going to solve this nice looking exponent equation. The question is 8 to the power x minus 7 into 4 to the power x plus 14 into 2 to the power x minus 8 is equal to 0. Find x. Here we can write 8 as 2 cube to the power x minus 7, 4 as 2 square to the power x plus 14 into 2 to the power x minus 8 is equal to 0. As we know, x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n is equal to x to the power n to the power m. So let us apply this formula here. So we can rewrite this expression as 2 to the power x to the power cube minus 7 into 2 to the power x to the power square plus 14 2 to the power x minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us consider t is equal to 2 to the power x. So we can rewrite this equation as t cube minus 7t square plus 14t minus 8 is equal to 0. So now we need to solve this cubic equation. Let us apply a remainder theorem. Check this equation for the value t is equal to 0. So now this is equal to 0 cube equal to 0 minus 7 into 0 is equal to 0 plus 14 into 0 equal to 0. This is minus 8. So answer is negative and it is not 0. Hence t equal to 0 is not a root. Now consider t is equal to 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 7 into 1 square is 7 plus 14 into 1 is 14 minus 8. So if you solve this, this will become 1 plus 14 is 15 minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15 plus 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So now we can say t minus 1 is a factor of this equation. So to find the other factors of this equation, we need to divide t minus 1 with this equation. So let us write like this: t cube minus 7t square plus 14t minus 8 divided by t minus 1. So as we know, we have to first divide this t with t cube and the answer is t square. Then we need to write t square into t is t cube. Then we have to multiply this t square with minus 1. It will become minus t square. Then we have to subtract this with this one. T cube minus t cube is 0. Minus 7t square minus minus plus t square. It will become minus 6t square plus 14t minus 8. Now we have to divide minus 6t square by t and the answer is minus 6t. So it will become minus 6t square. Then when you multiply minus 6t with minus 1, it will become plus 6t. Then let us subtract this one from minus 6t square, minus 6t square, minus plus 6t square, it will cancel out. This is 14t minus 6t. It will become 8t minus 8. Now divide 8t by t. It will become plus 8. Now we can write this is 8t plus 8 minus 1 is minus 8. So the remainder will 0. So we can write the equation t cube minus 7t square plus 14t minus 8 equal to 0 is equal to t minus 1 multiplied with t square minus 6t plus 8 is equal to 0. It means we can write t minus 1 is equal to 0 or t square minus 6t plus 8 is equal to 0. Here t minus 1 equal to 0 means t is equal to 1. For this equation, as you know, it is a quadratic equation, and in this quadratic equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 8. So we can find the value of t as minus b, that is minus 6 plus minus b square, that is minus 6 square, that is 36, minus 4ac, 4 into a into c is 32 divided by 2a, that is 2. So we can simply find the value 6 plus minus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2 is 4, or 6 minus 2 is 4 by 2 is 2. So now the value of t is equal to 1, or t is equal to 4, or t is equal to 2. We have already assumed that t is equal to 2 to the power x, then I can simply write 2 to the power x is equal to 1, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2, or 2 to the power x is equal to 4. Now we know that 2 to the power x is equal to 1, I can simply write 2 to the power 0, then the value of x is equal to 0, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2, we can write 2 to the power 1, then value of x is equal to 1, or 2 to the power x is equal to 4, we can simply write 2 to the power 2, now the value of x is equal to 2. So answer of this equation is x is equal to 0 or 1 or equal to 2. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.